And I think sometimes when you're trying to describe Sosana, this ecosystem is so big and it's going to get even bigger and more powerful that it's like it's not walking into a store, it's walking into a mall, right? Where there's so many different things that you can select from. So you might say, well, I'm hungry. And I say, go to the mall. Well, I need some clothes. Go to the mall. Well, I need some electronics. Go to the mall. It can't all be at the mall. Yes, it's all at the mall because there's so many different pieces of that ecosystem. So I'm going to zero in on just a few things. The DGen voter system that Mark described. I said this before on a call, and I want to make this clear. The number one thing, the most valuable thing in business is information, right? And the rarest commodity in business or in life is certainty, right? It just knowing for a fact something is going to happen before it happens, right? When you know for a fact something's going to happen before it happens, you can capitalize on that without question. And that's what we're talking about when we talk about the DGen voter system. You know, some people heard Mark describing it, and if you're from the crypto space, you got it right away. You said, wow, man, this is cool, right? We get to nominate, we get to vote, we get to, pick great projects, and then they come out and tell the community what project won, and they let us know that, hey, an hour from then. So they let us know that project number 4 was the winner. They let us know that the 1% of the tax that went towards the voter DGen wallet is $100,000, and they let us know that in 1 hour from the moment that they told us that project number 4 was the winner, 1 hour later at 8:00 p.m. on that Monday, that the DAO is going to make a purchase of $100,000 of that small cap token. Now, again, Andrew, not trying to drive you crazy, just trying to say to the people that are on here that are saying, what's in it for me? If you knew for a fact that there was going to be $100,000 purchase of a small cap token 1 hour before it happened, I know for a fact that you can figure out what I'm saying. You know what you should probably do. You know what a lot of people are going to do with information like that and what that can mean for you. That's the first thing that's in it for you right there. If you're trying to say, what's in it for me? Why should I become a part of Sosana? Think about that for a second. If you can't figure it out, ask the person who invited you on. They'll figure it out for you. The second